The filter or pour-over method produces a clean cup and helps you bring out all of the complexities in your coffee. Coffee, like all food, tastes best fresh, and freshly ground coffee even better. Look for good quality, freshly roasted coffee with a lighter or filter roast profile, as espresso roasts are usually roasted darker and not well suited to the pour-over method. Pour 120 milliliters of filtered water into your kettle for every cup you intend to make, and let it come to the boil as you prepare. Set your grinder to the filter setting and grind your freshly roasted coffee for filter. With the spoon provided, fill the spoon level, one for each cup you intend to prepare, into the filter basket. Use a stopwatch to time the brewing period. Start to add the water slowly in a circular motion, just enough to ensure even saturation, then stop. This allows the coffee to bloom. At 30 seconds, add 1/3 of the water in the kettle, pouring slowly in a circular motion, and then stop. At 1 minute, add the rest of the water in the kettle, pouring again in a slow circular motion until empty. When the water has finished passing through, remove the filter and serve.
The KitchenAid Burr Grinder. For first-time use, clean the bean hopper and grind jar in warm soapy water. And with the grinder on a flat surface, attach the bean hopper at the top and turn clockwise until it's snug. Then, slide and center the lower grind jar into place. Next, choose your grind setting to match your brew method. Settings 1 to 3 for French press and a coarse grind. 5 to 7 for a medium grind, best for pour-over, siphon, or automatic drip. Or 8 for a fine grind when brewing espresso. Next, fill the bean hopper with desired amount of beans and flip the power switch up to begin grinding your coffee. When you have the right amount for your brew, simply flip the switch down, remove the ground jar, and prepare to brew a great cup of fresh coffee.